Jen did the most amazing thing today. Well, first she dropped her phone in the river, and as soon as it happened, she jumped over the railing before I could even start recording. She scaled down this 10-foot wall, and she was down on her knees, fishing through the murky water to find her phone.
Yay!
Day 11. Jen dropped her phone over the side of a bridge just to see where we are. That was amazing, Jen. Jen's just checking out a campsite for us tonight. Thought it'd be nice to camp by the river. You did it. Mission accomplished.
Still in working order, perfectly fine.
Today is day 11.
10. There you go.
Today's our day off from biking. So as an alternative, we climbed the cathedral in Strasbourg. So this is the view.
It was only a couple hundred steps. It was fine.
Yeah, this was like barely a
This was
hill
light work.
compared to what we've been doing.
Tiny little.
But we're just gonna do some walking, let our bodies heal a little bit, and we'll hit the road again tomorrow. But look forward to some pictures and some videos from Strasbourg. The boat's going through a lock. If you'd like to see more pictures and video, and even maps from our trip, click on the link in the description below for my webpage, and thanks again for watching. This wraps up day 11.